Namaste. Welcome to our biology lesson. Today we are diving into one of the fundamental concepts in genetics, Mendel's law of dominance. To understand this, let's start with an example. Imagine we have some pea plants in our garden. Some have tall stems while the others have shorter stems. Now, Gregor Mendel, a scientist in the 19th century, wondered why these traits showed up in the predictable patterns. To find out, Mendel performed experiments where he crossed pea plants with the different traits. One of his most famous experiments involved crossing of tall pea plants with the shorter ones. He found something very fascinating in the F1 generation, also called as the filial 1 generation. He found that all the plants were tall. It seemed like the shorter trait had disappeared. But when he let these tall plants self-pollinate, something surprising happened in the next generation, the F2 generation. Mendel discovered that the shorter trait did not vanish. Instead, it reappeared in about 1/4 of the pea plants. From this, he formulated the law of dominance. According to this law, when two different forms of genes called alleles are present together, one may mask the expression of the other. Or, in other words, out of a pair of contrasting characters present together, only one is able to express itself while the other one remains suppressed. The one which expresses itself is called as dominant, and the one which remains suppressed is known as recessive. In this case, the tall trait masked the shorter trait in the F1 generation. So in simple terms, dominant traits like tallness in the pea plants overshadows the recessive traits like shortness. But they can reappear in the later generations if parents carry the recessive alleles. And there you have it, Mendel's law of dominance explained in a nutshell. Understanding this concept is very crucial for unraveling the mysteries of genetics. So stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.